Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I want to just share a couple of Forex tips and using these indicators. Even if you make purchases from me and you buy the money template or the buy sell template with all the indicators, I see a lot of people, and I know this used to be me, the importance of really having a trading plan, a strategy. Guys, trading is a business, and you really need to have some rules set up for your trades. You can throw all these indicators. I mean, you can have this look like a throw up if you want, but if you don't have rules set in place, indicators lag. And I see this, and like I say, I know this from my own personal experience. What kept me stuck, and I love watching videos. I love trying out new stuff. So I'm looking at a strategy that I just watched in a video now with some indicators. This is actually down here. Let me bring this back up. This is the VMC Cipher B. And I'm going to do a video on this because there is something called the market cipher that they're charging like $500 or $1,000 for. And this thing down here that's free inside of TradingView, in essence, is basically the same thing. So I just watched a video on the Trade Pro channel, and it had something called the slingshot strategy in it. And there's a group on Facebook, and this guy is charging about $400, I think, to get into his program for this same thing here that you get for free. So it pays for me to research information. But what I want to share with you are just some things to note when you use these indicators on your charts. It's easy to get caught up, like this is telling me to buy right here. But that's not part of my trading system. I don't take trades, especially I do not call them to my wealth transfer movement people, because it's going against the trend. So more than likely, if we go up through the higher time frame, we're clearly in a bearish trend here. So counter trend trades are very risky. I do take them sometimes personally, but I don't call them to my wealth transfer movement members because they are risky. And so, like, see, I would have taken this trade because the divergence is built into this, and we had a bounce off an area of support. So I might would have got in here for 20, 30 pips. I don't really try to get a lot of pips off of counter trend trades because we're trading against the trend. It's just, it doesn't make sense. So part of my trading rules are, if I take a counter trend trade, which is not very often, if it is, it's on a pair that I follow. See, I follow certain pairs, about 7 of them, and I watch them every day. Even days I don't trade, my charts, my laptop stays open all from Sunday night until Friday morning. And then I'll shut it down, reboot, and refresh everything if I'm going to do any work for my business on Saturday. But so I'm watching this stuff. Even right now, I'm shooting videos. So I know how these pairs are moving. That's important to know. But let's get back over here. When you come on these indicators, and I was watching the video, and there was all kind of, like, these yellow ones are supposed to be, these right here are supposed to be risky trades, but it's a signal saying to buy right here, and which it did buy. But when you have your trading plan in place, it's just easier to I know I can catch more pips. You look at these reversal moves versus what's going with the trend, that's almost double my pip count. So it only makes sense. But I have rules. I take trades that are going with the trend. I take trades that are at an area of support or resistance, divergence. That's usually when I will get into my counter trend trade. But I have a trading plan, and I want to get the highest quality trade setups that I can. No one indicator is 100%. No one trader is 100%. So you're going to lose sometimes, guys. You just want to minimize your losses. And, that's where proper risk management comes in. and different things, but have a trading plan. So when you're using these indicators, don't just go by, okay, well, we got divergence and, this thing is telling me, let me see, what is it even telling me to do right here? I don't see the lines for it. Let's go down to a lower time frame. See, it's telling me to buy right here, and it's telling me to buy right here. Well, that's stupid right there because I'm clearly heading up to my trend line plus an area of strong resistance. And what did it do? It bounced off the trend line and went reversed right back on me and pushed through my area of resistance here. So, that just, I'm not going to just solely go because this thing is telling me to buy right here. I'm not going to hop into a buy. So have some, I see, one of my students is really, really struggling, and I know one of his problems is he doesn't have a trading plan. You set up rules. We have rules that govern us every day. We have laws. The same thing should be set for your Forex trading. This trade right here, and I actually missed calling this, but we pushed through. We were at the trend line. We pushed through the area of resistance, but then it turned right back around. And now we're heading back down. Well, this is a good trade right here. This is Euro JPY. Now let's go look at my other indicator. Okay, this is on the 15-minute. Here's my trend line. Here's my area of support, just like it's showing over on TradingView. And boom, that was a good trade. I could have got in here and caught a quick 35 pips out of that. So I have rules that I set up. Like at this point, let me pull this out. This was overbought. So I'm looking at that, and then one of my other criteria is I look to see where I am on the higher time frames. So on this indicator, it shows me one of the rules for this money template is that this ball is a star is outside of the Bollinger Bands. Okay, boom, I'm at an area of support. The star is outside of the Bollinger Bands. I'm at an area of resistance. I'm sorry, I'm at a trend line. I mean, everything's lining up. I'm at overbought on this thing. So, I mean, oversold up here. So, so I know that my rules, most of my rules are set up for me to take this bearish move here. So just because you got all these indicators, and like I say, even if you purchase some of mine, I'm giving you some high quality trade, a checklist that goes with this stuff because I watch a lot of people and I keep trying to tell my poor student, get a trading plan. Get a trading plan, stick to it. Some of these, where is it? High quality traits for trading. And I'm going to do another video on this. I'm trading with the trend. I've identified a key level of support or resistance that became the opposite. The trend line crosses with a key level and the trend line. So that basically means what I just showed you. We got to an area of, see, this was support back here, resistance here, and now it's resistance again. I'm at a trend line. I'm at an area of support that became resistance. And then I have other things that I personally look for. I look at whatever, if I'm using a stochastic or the TDI, I look for something else on there. If I can drop a fib right here, matter of fact, let's just drop a fib on here really quick. No, I'm not going to do that right now. But I want to say this is probably at between the 50 and the 61.8. I would almost guarantee it because it's halfway through the move. So that's another one of the lists on this. That's another one of the traits on this high quality traits for trading checklist. So all of that stuff lines up. Then let's go look at the candlesticks. Okay, well, here we got this pin bar, and then we had a reversal. What does this look like on the 15-minute? We had this huge push up. Then here, boom, we had, I forgot what this one is called, the 3 in a row. Something is called, I can't remember it, but this is something else that I look for. So I probably would have gotten in somewhere around here. So have a trading plan in place, guys. It will just save you so many losses. Proper risk management and patience. wait for your setup. See, when you have certain setups that you look for, and you learn your pairs, you're just not going to, you're going to lose a lot less and you're going to win a ton more. I'm telling you. I watch some people struggle, and it's no need for it. Forex trading is a business. Those people like you see Karen Fu and J Take Profits and all of those guys, Pip Society, they have a plan. They have a trading plan and they follow it. And so this is a truly a business. Just like you get up and you get dressed every day, you go to work. Before I come sit at my laptop, I have certain things that I do. I pray. I get my coffee. I listen to some motivation. I also have a trader's motivation channel that I listen to. And I get my mind set for this. If I'm not feeling good, I don't trade that day. So I just wanted to share some of those tips. I'm going to go through this high quality traits for trading. I'm going to do a video sometime probably early next month on my channel. If you join us in Wealth Transfer Movement, you'll get this along with a very detailed walkthrough of these traits. So, guys, that's it. If you want to learn more about Forex, or you just want to purchase the templates that I use, by all means, those links are down below. If you have some questions for me and you don't want to join anything right now, I completely understand that. Leave your comments down below. Feel free to email me, and I'll see what I can do to help you. There's nothing worse than blowing your accounts and blowing your accounts. It's just not necessary. All right, guys, you have a beautiful and blessed day. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell so you get notified of the next latest and greatest video. I'll catch you again soon.